Hi students, today we are going to do the difference between compound and mixture. As I already told you what is compound and what is mixture. So compound is formed by combining two or more than two elements in a fixed proportion by weight. What it means that in case of compound we are making the compound by mixing two or more than two elements, but in a particular compound the ratio of the elements will be fixed. Like in case of water, we are mixing H and O, hydrogen and oxygen, but how much proportion? H will 2H, H2O is the formula of water. We are mixing two hydrogen with one oxygen, and its proportion by weight is 1 is to 8. One part of hydrogen, 8 parts according to weight is oxygen. Same way in case of carbon dioxide, if we take the carbon dioxide from anywhere, its formula will be CO2. So it means in case of compounds, elements will be fixed and their weight will be fixed. It cannot change either in India or in any other country. So compound is formed by combining two or more than two elements in a fixed proportion by weight, and we cannot separate the elements in case of compound. Why? Because they are formed by chemical bonds. So we cannot separate by using any physical method like picking or something else. So we have to use some chemical method to separate the elements from a compound. So they are, because they are mixed together in such a way that we cannot separate, they are combined together. Okay, so compound is formed by uh, mixing two or more than two elements in a fixed proportion by weight, and they cannot be separated into its elements simply by using physical method, and weight is also fixed in this case.